Welcome to my channel. You are watching Tiana Food and Lifestyle. Today I'm going to be making rice and beans. If you're like me and you don't really like beans and rice together, which I really don't like, you can try doing it another way. This is how. And I'll be needing all of this for my ingredients today. You can do well to check my description box and see every ingredient I'll be using. The first thing, I'll just go ahead and put the chickpeas in the pot, add in some water and let this cook until soft. Add in my beans in another pot, put in some water, cook until soft. And then I'll go ahead in another pot, wash my rice, add it in the pot, and use my chicken stock or beef stock, whatever you have. This one I had it in the freezer, and cook it until it gets semi-soft. That is what some people call pep boil. And then after some minutes I go check. This is what I want. It's not really soft, it's just pep boiled. I set it aside and then I blend in my food processor, put in my pepper and my garlic, and then I'm going to prep this because I'll be using it. And then I'm going to prep every other thing. So just stay with me until the end of this video and see how I achieved this. I just want to say thank you if you have been a part of my community, and if you're a new subscriber, I just want to say thank you guys for the patience. I've been on and off. I apologize. I've been busy with other projects, but I just want to say thank you for staying as an esteemed customer or subscriber. Yes, thank you. And why not stay with me to the end of this video and see how I accomplished my rice, beans, and chickpeas. All right, thank you guys. Have a good watch. All right, ciao.